Right then, we haven't filmed anything in a while, so I pick up the camera quickly. Just to say that Abby's gone with Lily to a dress fitting. So, I'm going to take this out a little dog walk now. She's giving me little smiles. But I wanted to try on a hat, a winter hat, to check if it fitted. And look how cute she is. How cute are you? How cute are you with that hat on? Have you got the smile for the camera? Have you? Is that a little smile? Is that a little smile, is it? Have you got a big smile? Have you? Have you? Have you? I can see you have. Where's your big smile? There's a big smile. Where's your big smile? Where's your big smile? There we go. She's gorgeous, isn't you? So your hat's kind of giant. That's okay. So I'm going to chuck you in the Ego baby now, and we'll take Toffee on a little dog walk, is it? Yes? Yes. Beauty girl. Boom. I'm ready to go. Looking cute in the hat. Hello, say. She has to be forward facing now, because she gets upset otherwise, don't you? She's got a winter coat on, a cardigan and this winter outer shell, and then if she gets tired, whoop. Where'd Nora go? There she is. Right then. Oops. Bum, ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum. Does that solve your problem? There we go. So I gotta keep moving a minute, because until we're outside she's not gonna be happy. Even though you were lovely and content on the ground. But let's go take your brother for a walk then. Alexa, turn living room to 100%. So, we have little Nora Watkins wearing her mammy's outfit from when she was a baby. Hey! Ooh. I just poked in the head then. You're so cute in that. You're like something from the Victorian ages. Yeah. You've just taken a son down Porthcawl for a pizza, and it was an absolute shambles of a little date night. Wasn't it?
Are you going to film us that one?
You know what?
I'm just going to say.
Oh, come us.
I'll do over.
Hello. Absolute shambles. Went out for like a...
Oh, my hair is a mess.
You're alright. Went out for a Friday evening for the first time in ages, didn't we? As in just the two of us and Nora, because we have Wells. What the heck is he just knocked over? Hello. And yeah, it was super windy. She was crying as we went into the pizza place.
And I cried in the pizza place.
Yeah, which was really awkward, because you don't normally cry, do you? Look at this little smile coming. It's a little smile. Ooh, happy girl. Happy girl. Yeah, and we ordered butternut squash pizza, which is a mistake. Don't recommend.
No. It was like a normal pizza with huge chunks of butternut squash on.
Yeah. Which
like, oh sorry, my position. Which did not add anything to the pizza.
No.
It was just like a bit strange, you know. It was like, why would you even do that? Why would you put that on pizza?
Yeah. It felt like, we read it and we're like, oh, but it was meant to be butternut squash in the base, which I didn't taste. And butternut squash in general, which I assumed would be little chunks of it, almost like pineapple, but butternut squash. Sounds like a good idea, But I feel...
huge slices.
Yeah, I feel like someone had the idea and didn't taste test it.
Yeah.
So, if you see that on the menu, don't recommend.
And then, what?
Double O pizza, isn't it? 00. Yeah, in Portugal. But, also, it was really loud there. So I don't think... we were feeling rather self-conscious because it was like a big open space, and when she screamed...
She didn't scream.
Right, when she cried, you could hear it though, couldn't you? Yeah. Can you? Look at this. Look at these flaps. How silly did your mammy look at these? Oh, and today, Abby decided to put up a picture of herself as a baby on Instagram. Oh. And there's had non-stop people going, oh, why are you putting up pictures of Nora? Ha 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 ha, she looks so much like you. So I'll put that in now so you can see Nora on the left side and then Abby on the right.
Not like that, because she's not even looking at the camera.
Yeah. There you go.
Make a snipe.
Nora! 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 You're looking at Mammy and Joe. You make a smile. Okay, get at this. Anyway, that's it. Bye. You enjoying the waterfalls, Nora?
She's not enjoying it, she's about to cry.
Da, 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 da. What's that? Yep, we're going together. Right, hold on to me. Let's go.
Hello, we have come to Vaughan Waterfalls for a walk, and it has been so far a fantastic walk and a raging success. Little Miss Nora is here. Aww. Has fallen asleep in the carrier. She started to hate facing me in the carrier. She likes to look out and see what's going on. So she's been looking out, but now thankfully she's gone to sleep. Lily is currently on a, oh, I don't know if you can see her. Ah, is she in that? Yeah. On a rope swing. We've just had our food. So I made like a sweet potato and black bean stew. So we had that in our thermos flasks on a bench, which was lovely. The dog has been fantastic. He's been so well behaved. He's just down here. Say hello, Matt.
Hello, Matt. Oh, I'm so sorry.
And there's coffee. Oh, yeah. And yeah, we've had a fantastic day. Have you enjoyed your day, Lils?
Yeah.
Goodbye, Toff. Go on. Goodbye. What are you going to show me? What?
Toffee! Toffee!
What are you showing me? Did he come to you?
No.
No.
He doesn't do it now when he's on camera.
And we made it to the waterfall, which I quickly filmed, but we didn't actually, you can go behind the waterfall, which we didn't do because the sun is actually going down. Sunsets in half an hour and we're probably about 45 minutes from the car, maybe a bit more actually. Yeah, nice little walk. Lovely to have food out here. We don't normally bring hot food, so we only bought those thermoses the other day, so I think that was a nice nice little treat, and that's about it. I'm just rambling now, so literally, because that's what walking in the woods is called. Oh, I'm not going to put that in.
You should put that in. You should put your instant realization. Oh no, why did I show how uncool I am?
Okay, bye.
Oh, Vicky.
I'm just recording a second, because, well, I was trying to show that Nora keeps looking around everywhere. She's also being sick slightly here, so please ignore that. Oh, she wants to keep walking.
Was she inside?
She was then. What are you looking at me for? You were looking at all the trees just then.